All right, welcome back to the One-Eye Podcast Kitchen. And today, Susie's making
oven roasted smoked sausage and potatoes.
all right. And I'll let her go ahead and fill you in with what she's doing.
Okay, you have to start with 2 pounds of potatoes of your choice, whether it's russet, Yukon Gold, red, whatever you like, and dice that all up. I'm going to put it in a 9x13 pan that's lightly oiled for the roasting process. And then you're going to add your 2 pounds, or 1 pound, I'm sorry, of your smoked sausage.
Mm.
Okay,
And cut. All right. Now Susie's slicing up the sausage.
We like smoked sausage. You could use different flavors of sausage, I imagine, if you have something you love. Get my knife skills going here. Messing around. Throw it all in the pan. Now, 3 cloves of garlic minced. Whoops.
We have a little mincer that we got at the home show last year. A gentleman demonstrated to us, and we enjoyed the demonstration so much, and we bought it, and we have used it a lot since we've had it. It's very, very good.
Makes everything go really nice and finely shaved. Okay, then we are going to have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Then we're going to add all of our spices in there. We're going to have our garlic in there. Then we're going to have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. I use smoked paprika. Has a little smoky flavor to it. We're going to put that all in there. And then 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning.
Okay. And here is
I'm going to mix all that up. We're going to pour it over top of this.
oh man, that looks good.
Nothing better than roasting stuff in the oven. It makes things so much more tastier to roast it. Basically going to mix this all together so it's pretty well coated everywhere.
We appreciate the comments on the last episode, and we just want you to know we appreciate the followers that we've added to the show, and we really do appreciate your viewing and following and subscribing. It really means a lot to our show, and it means a lot to get us out there and tell your friends and share us with as many people as you know.
Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan on the top of that. And that we're just going to let on the top for starters. This is going to go in the oven then for 40-45 minutes until the potatoes are nice and tender and the meat gets a little brown on the outside. And then about halfway through, 20 minutes or so, go ahead and stir it and get it all mixed in, and then finish baking it Just make sure your potatoes are done. And
Now, what's your oven set at?
350. No, I'm sorry, 400.
400.
400.
Okay. All right. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit. All right, Susie's putting it in there now. And there we go. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, so we're at the halfway point. Susie's gonna get it and stir it. So it's been about, how long?
23 minutes.
Yep. Oh, it smells so good.
Looking pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Go another at least 20.
And it looks good. Smells really good. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. All right, so it's been about 45 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, it smells so incredibly good.
Oh yeah. So we got a little bit of crispy on the potatoes.
Yes.
And the meat. And yummy.
Oh my gosh. We got to somebody invent smell-o-vision because this is just incredible.
There we go.
All right. And again, the recipe will be down in the description below. We want to thank you for joining us today in the One Eye Podcast Kitchen. And Susie and I want to appreciate you. As if you would, please like and follow and subscribe. Thank you so much. And we'll talk to you later.